open channels for you. God will begin to open streams for you. Because God doesn't want to be considered as a liar. He doesn't want to be considered as a failure. But you can never blame God until you use His word. You can never blame God if you don't use His word. Even there are people who cry and say, God, it's like you have forsaken me. It is like my life is not moving forward. It is like you don't care about me. What? But it will just be a noise until you take a scripture and you say it is written. Jesus, when he was tempted by the devil, he said it is written. It is written, because you know that there is power in quoting scriptures. When you are in prayer, when you are going through season and situation, it is important to quote scriptures, to stand in faith and refuse to be tested. You refuse to be shaken, and you stand in the word of the Lord and you say it is written.